when you're learning in university and college, stop having anxiety. Who's going to marry me? When am I going to get married? When is the qadr of Allah going to come? Stop. Just do your homework. Stop. Last thing. When you live a purposeful life, when you accomplish purpose and you live that way, then good people of purpose will come in your life. You won't have to look for that spouse. That spouse will look for you. You have to just become purposeful. And you can do it. You're smart. You're creative. Allah has given you opportunity. You're Muslim. You have the perfect life. You have the perfect life. Allah mentioned one thing about marriage that is on top. Number one. Everything else is later. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا. لِتَسْكُنُوا. This is called lam al-ta'lil. He said He made you into spouses for the purpose that you could find peace. For what purpose? Say it. You could find peace. And then 2 and 3. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً That's 2 and 3. Number 1 is peace. Now, what does that mean? That means when you love someone, but sometimes you can love someone without respecting them. You can love someone without being honest to them. You can love someone without caring for them properly. You can love someone but hate their family. And all of these things, you know what they do? They take away the peace.